have?
The first chapter, sir.
Sorry.
From million numbers and polynomials. Actually,
Yes.
I'm having assessment on tomorrow on these chapters.
Okay.
So
See, like, I thought of teaching you today, lines and angles chapter. I thought of continuing with that chapter, but but many of
So
you
you
are
had
absent
put
today.
in the class in the group that today was doubt extra class. I
No,
think many
extra
people
class.
thought it was
No,
doubt session.
Yes. So extra
So
class is
even
nothing but. Yeah.
until I saw the notification that in WhatsApp, I didn't want to join.
Acha. So extra class is nothing but basically like extra class in the sense, it was in timetable, it is given me as extra class only. So in extra class is nothing but not only clearing your doubt session, it can be your regular session as well. Understand? So please, you can just join the session. You can join the session and listen whatever I'm saying. So if you read anything is useful for you, you can just stay, and if it's not, you can just leave by asking the permission. Clear? Yes. Chalo, guys, look at this here now. You can ask the questions. Make it fast.
Yes, sir. So
yes, sir.
I have one doubt in number system, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, sir. The question is, if n is equal to
If n is equal to,
root over root 5 plus 2,
if n is equal to, n is equal to root of
root of root 5
root 5
plus 2
plus 2
plus
plus,
and then another root starts
okay,
root 5 minus 2
okay,
whole by root 5 sorry whole by root 5 plus 1 minus no sir, like minus in the another side, another operator, sorry, another term,
okay,
root 3 no sir, I mean it is in the another number.
okay,
Out of the root.
out of the root.
So
Now,
out of the root, out of the denominator.
Acha. So this minus is outside, okay. Minus, now tell me, is this correct?
And no sir, I mean that that numerator part is there, right? Just beside the numerator part. Like this whole number is 1 and then another number is the other one.
Okay, this is a separate number, this is a separate number, isn't it?
Sir, once you give annotated option, sir, I will try and assist.
Yes, sir.
No,
Yes,
I'm not getting your question.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Can
it's
I-
saying minus is not in the denominator, sir. Next to the number.
Sorry,
Yes, sir, next to the
please,
number.
one member, any one of you. What is that?
So that
Sir,
minus,
Denominator?
so next to the denominator, sir. Like next to the whole number. It's not in the
So it's
denominator.
a new, sir, root
number.
of root 5 plus 2 by root 5 plus 1 is
Root
1.
of
So this thing is one number and it's been minus by another term.
yes,
So-
sir.
is this a whole root?
So no, so that's the entire thing. That's one part of the question. That's A part.
Okay.
B part is what he's saying minus this.
Yes, sir.
Acha, same thing but minus this.
No, sir.
Sir, once
mean
you
this one?
annotated option, that's simple.
No,
thing.
sir.
Then what's that?
Sir, simple thing, sir. Once you annotated, sir, I will try and assist.
Right.
But
Sir, I'll just write it, sir. I'll just.
no. You just tell me. Yeah. Tell me.
Yes, I mean that the bar kind of thing is there, right? It separates numerator and denominator. Just
Yeah,
next to
that line. Okay. This bar. Okay. Divider. Okay.
Then just to the right side of that, the minus sign starts.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, finally, yeah.
Yes, sir.
So
Just tell me that, man. Then okay. The denominator. What is the here?
denominator it is root over
Okay. Root over
root 5 plus 1.
plus 1 is inside of the root only, right?
Yes, sir.
Minus.
Then after that minus root 3, like whole root, 3 minus 2 root 2. So we have to find the value of n.
Value of
N.
n.
Is this
look,
equal to n?
yes, is equal to n. This is equal to n only. He
Yes,
told.
sir. This is the IMO question.
Look at this here. N is equal to, can I write now? This is root 7 plus, can I write now root 3 divided by root 6?
No, sir. Sir, one mistake is there. It's not root over root 5 plus 2.
Ah.
It is root over root 5. Then
Plus 2.
separate plus 2.
Acha. Acha, root 5, like root is for only 5, not for 2.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Acha, here also same thing, right?
The other one, yes.
Here also, the denominator also same thing, right?
Yes, sir.
You told them root is for 1 also?
Then I said root. I said root meaning the whole thing. The
Okay.
whole bigger root.
Okay, cool. So look at this now. Here, try to understand it carefully. How it is looking like, the numerator part. Let us say here, let me write root 5 is equal. Let us try. No, let us give an attempt here. Root 5 is equal, let us say a. Okay? Root 5 is equal to a. Clear? Now let us say 1 is equal to b. Okay? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now substitute here. Now can I write root 1 7? Can I write now a plus b plus 1 here? Why? Because I'm writing 2 as 1 plus 1. Clear? So in place of 1, I'm writing b, and this 1 as it is I'm writing. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Plus,
Yes, sir.
a minus b minus 1. Clear? Divided by root a plus b minus root 3 minus 2 root 2. Clear? Now how can I make it after this? Now here, can I make like this here? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we can make.
Now look at this. Or else we'll do one thing. Yes, let us distribute like this. Let us distribute this one or this one. Okay, let us distribute that and separately. What I'm going to get after this? If I distribute, so what I'm going to get? Distribute in the sense I'm just giving the numerator separate and denominator separate.
Root over a plus b plus 1 by root a plus b. And then the same thing for the other side. Root a minus b plus 1 by root a plus b.
Yeah, 1 second. Let me erase this. Chalo. If not, guys, 1 second. One second. If not, let us take like this. Look at this. If not, I'll, one more way we will solve in one more method. Guys, very beautiful question. Very good question.
This question, it was very significant.
Solution. Guys, these both are, look at this. This is my what? Let us consider this as entire term is one term, first term. This is my second term. In a given total, in a given expression, this is my first term, this is my second term. See guys, how many of you know, let us solve one by one. First, let us solve for first part. Then we'll go for second part. How many of you know rationalization?
Is a rationalizing the denominator.
Yes, rationalization. Look at this. We'll do rationalization first.
Yes, sir.
1 second, please. Listen to me carefully. The denominator, it will be, look at this, root 5 whole
Yes,
root,
sir.
root 5 minus 1 divided by whole root minus 1. Clear? I'm solving
Yes.
first part.
Yes, sir.
Rationalization is the biggest good method actually. Clear? After this, what can I do?
Sir, we can take
Sir, it's-
a plus b, a minus b for the denominator part.
Look at this now. What I'm going to get now? Whole root 5 plus 2 plus whole root 5 minus 2. Mhm. Oh. Write separately like this. One second. Yes. What I'm going to get now? Tell me.
Whole by root over root 5 plus 1 into
Or else we will do one thing. We'll multiply here. We'll multiply. One second. This into this into this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This into root 5 minus 1
Plus.
into one second, please don't talk in between. Into root 5 minus 1. Is it clear with everyone? Divided by how it is looking like the denominator part, a plus b into a minus b. So can I write now a square minus b square whole root a square minus b square. Clear?
yes, sir.
Sir, should in between plus should be
One
there.
second,
Sir, in numerator part between those two terms, plus should be there, right?
Hello? Tell me.
Then the numerator part, root 5 plus root over root 5 plus 2 and that multiplication and the second term multiplication plus should be there, right?
Here
Yes,
we
sir.
have plus, guys. Here we have plus. We have plus, no.
Yes, sir. That's why I asked.
Yes, sir.
Plus. So I'm dividing with the operator called addition. Okay. Listen to me now. Next. Now look at this, guy. Here I'm just multiplying. Okay, I'm multiplying entire root. So root 5 into root 5, 1 5.
1 5.
Root 5 into minus 1, minus root 5. 2 into root 5, plus 2 root 5.
Plus 2 root 5.
Minus 2. Is it clear with everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sir, 1. Okay.
Plus, wait, man. This into this, 5.
5
This into this,
minus 5. Root 5 minus 5.
now divided by square root of 5 minus 1. So 5 minus 1, 4. That can be written as 2. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Here, can I write 5 minus 3? So 5 minus 2, 3. Plus 1 root 5. Plus here, minus, plus 7 minus 3 root 5. Divided by root 4 means 2. Clear?
Yes,
Any
sir.
doubts?
No doubt.
What else, sir?
So then we can take square root as common, right?
Guys, look at this here. One second. One second, guys. I'm unable to hear you properly. One second.
Sir, once come up.
Come up. I came up. Look at this. Now, guys, here, how can we make it after this? I don't have any hint. So for this, can we do one thing? Shall I multiply and divide with 2 here?
Sir, we can take the root for the numerator part. We can take square root as common, right?
No. Square root of, you cannot take like that. Look at this. Multiply and I'll tell you simple. Divide with the 2. If I do so, what I'm going to get? Look at this. This root 3, yes, into 2 by 2 plus multiply and dividing with the 2. 7 minus 3 root 5 into 2 by 2 whole divided by 2. Clear? So what I'm going to get now, multiply here, 3 into 6, 3 into 2, 6 plus 2 root 5. All right. Getting my point? Plus 7 2s, 14 minus 6 root 5. All right.
Yes, sir.
Here I have in the whole divided by, here also I have 2, here also I'll be having 2. So can I write 1 2? Instead of writing here, can I write 1 2?
Yes, sir.
Whole divided by, so root here, root 1 root 2. Why? Because whole root we have, right? Divided by 2. Clear? Yes or no, boys? Look at this here. What I'm doing here. Here I have 1 2, right? This 2 is under the big root. So now can I, 1 second. Now can I write simply here by 2 root 1 root 2. Hereby can I write simply 1 root 2. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now look at this. Here I have root 5. So here also I'm just talking about 5 and 6 here. I'm talking about 5 and 6, and here I'm talking about just root 5. Now can I distribute like that? Can I distribute? How can I distribute? Can I distribute? 6 can be written as how? Can I write 1 plus 5 plus 2 root 5? Yes, we got the answer. By plus 9, 14 can be written as 9 plus 5 minus 6 root 5. Can I write like that? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Divided by 2 root 2. I'm still solving first part only. Second part is still alive. Okay. I'm just
Sir?
murder. No, look at this here. I'm just killing the part 1. Clear? So look at this now. Can I write now 5 plus 1 plus root 5? Can I write now 1 plus root 5 whole square plus, can I write here 3 minus root 5 whole square whole divided by 2 root 2. Here gone, here gone. I remain with, what I remain with here, 1 plus root 5 plus 3 minus root 5 divided by 2 root 2. Oh,
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
1 second, don't interrupt in between, I said. Plus 5 root 5 will get cancelled. So 4 by 2 root 2. So 2 ones 2 root. So 2 by 2 root 2. All right, 2 by 2 root 2 can be written as what? 2 by 2 root 2 can be written as what? 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2 divided by 1 2. So this will get cancelled. I remain with root 2. So part 1 answer is what? Root 2. Let me explain you again. Don't worry. I'll explain you again. Root 2 will get cancelled. I remain with root 2. This is my part 1 answer. Clear?
Sir, one thing is one doubt. Like, what about the denominator too? This.
That is what? I'm denominator 2 only. In the denominator, I have 2 root 2. No.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Okay, understood.
Look at this. I have 2 root 2 here. So here 1 plus 3, how much? 4. 4 by 2 root 2. As it is, I'm writing here. Look at this here. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So 2 by 2 root 2 I remain with. That numerator 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2 by root 2 as it is. This will get cancelled. I remain with root 2. This is my part 1 answer. Yes or no?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yes, look at this here. I know where you have doubt. Here you have doubt. This stuff you have doubt. Am I right?
No, sir. I'm the.
Yes, sir, I'm having doubt in that step only.
Well, look at this here. Yeah, look at this, Shreyan. If I just write like 1 plus root 5 whole square, it is looking like a plus b whole square. If I expand that, a square plus b square means root 5, 5 plus 2ab. So look at this now, 1 plus 5 plus 2 root 5. Am not I getting the same thing?
Okay,
again?
okay. You're factorizing that, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, I meant the step before the step which you just highlighted.
Yes. Look at this here. This is what? Now this can be written as this. How? This can be written as this stuff. Clear? Harini,
Sir?
understood? Yes.
Sir, can you go to first step one, sir? Yes, sir, this step. We can use the formulas a plus b and a minus b and
Where?
a minus b whole square, na, sir.
Where?
Sir,
First.
one more doubt I have, sir, here.
Here, 1 second. A
Directly
plus
you
b
can-
plus a minus b. You are saying no? This one.
Yes, sir, a plus b and a minus b.
What will you do? What will you do from this? What formula you have?
A square minus b square, sir.
A square minus b square is available for this one, not for this one. Understand? Don't you have difference between these two?
Oh,
Oh,
yes.
not oh. We have difference. Clear, ma? Yes.
Sir, I have a doubt here, sir.
Scroll down.
Yes. Tell me.
Yes, sir. Multiply and divide by 2. I have that part. I have doubt actually.
Okay. See here.
Sir, I too have that doubt.
1 second. Here I have here no 3 plus root 5. I'm just multiplying and dividing 2 here. Okay. Okay, I'm just explaining one thing here. 7 minus 3 root 5 into 2 by 2. Clear? This is under whole part, no? Whole root. Now can I split like this? Tell me. Just multiply 2 into 3. 6 plus
6.
don't talk bandwidth. 2 into root 5. 2 root 5. Right? All divided by this 2. I remain with this 2. I'm writing this root 2 as it is. Clear? This is under whole root, right? Whole root. I'm splitting. Guys, don't you know this? Root a by b. I can write like this, no?
Yes, sir.
That's why I'm writing here. Look at this under whole root. Now here what I'm doing here. Again 7 to 14 minus 6 root 5. All divided by this 2 is that. No, this is under whole root. No. Something like that. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Yes. I hope I cleared your doubt here.
Sir, after that step, we have the denominator 2, right? So what would we do with, like, these will add, suppose, then it should be 2 root 2, right? So, sorry, I mean 4 root 2, right?
No. How can it be? Look at this. No. We are adding. Look at this. If I have 1 second, let me tell you. A by 2 plus b by 2 means I cannot write a plus b by 4. You cannot write like this. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? I can write only a plus b by 2. Understand?
Yes, sir.
That's what.
No, sir. I mean, like, we already have one denominator. We already have a 2 in the denominator, right? For the whole stuff.
We are adding here, not multiplying. If I am multiplying, then I would have written 4. Clear? I'm adding here, not multiplying. Here
Okay,
root
sir.
2 something by root a by root 2 plus root b by root 2 all divided by 2. What is your name? Piyush. It is like looking like that, right? So a plus b by I can write only 1 root 2. All right. Clear? If I have multiply here, I would have multiplied root 2 into root 2, which would have became 2. Clear? But I have addition symbol over there. I cannot write 2 root 2 here. Clear my point? All right. All divided by 2 now. This will go in reciprocal here. What will happen now? A plus b divided by 2 root 2. It would become like this. Clear?
Okay, sir.
So that's what I'm writing here. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Now simply I'll give one more scenario here. Let's take a by root 2 into b by 2 root 2 whole by 2. How it is going to happen now? A into b, which gives me ab. Here root 2 into root 2, I'll have to multiply root 2 into root 2, 1 2 whole divided by 2. Then it becomes ab by 4. Understand? When I'm
Yes, sir.
multiplying, I should multiply denominators also. When I'm multiplying 2 terms, I must multiply denominators also. If I'm adding or subtracting, I must not add denominator. I should not add. Clear?
Yes, sir.
I hope I cleared your doubt clearly. Chalo. Now look at this. This is why I got answer for first part. So let us have a look at the second part. What was my second part? This is my second part, right? Now let us solve second part here. Here itself we'll finish it up. Look at this very simple second part. So 3 plus minus 2 root 2 is given, right? Now 3 can be written as how? 1 plus 2 minus 2 root 2, right? Now can I write this can be written as how? Root 2 minus 1 whole square. This will get cancelled. What I'm getting? Root 2 minus 1 is my answer for first. This is my second part answer, first part answer. Look at this. Now this is my first part answer. So first part minus second part, if I do so, what I'm getting here? Root 2 minus 1. So this will get cancelled. My answer is going to be what?
-1.
This is n is equal to be
-1.
not -1 plus. Look at this. We made wrong here. See here minus means bracket should come, no? So root 2 minus root 2 plus 1 minus 2 minus plus 1. This will get cancelled. N is equal to 1.
1.
Yeah, answer is there. Yes, sir.
Do we have option?
Yes, sir. There's an option. One second, I'll
Yes.
just check. Yes, sir. Correct answer.
Yes. Any doubts, guys? Any doubts here? Tell me. Guys, it's a lengthy question. It's a big question actually. Important question too. But entire the question is all about how you are approaching towards calculation. Clear? See, look at this here, sir. How you got an idea that we have to multiply and divide with 2 here? How you got an idea? Means, look at this here. If in the denominator I have 2, in the denominator I have 2, and I'm talking about square roots. Square means what? Square is nothing but 2, right? Something related to 2. So I'm just multiply divide with the 2 means I'll be getting like that. So after that, it is depends on how you calculate it simply, as possible as wisely. Yes. Next. Any doubt, guys? Any doubts?
No, no, sir.
So what about Kavya? Kavya was asking doubts. And what about other children, guys? What about other children? What you guys doing?
My school
Rishikesh.
started yesterday, so I still don't have any doubts.
Okay, okay. Rishikesh. Rishikesh.
No doubt, sir.
No doubt. Talk something in a class. Rishikesh, Jaulaka means what?
Sir,
What is the meaning of Jaulaka?
sir, it's nothing.
Had food. Had food means what?
Sir, meaning you ate food.
That is what I'm asking. What is the meaning of that? Is it correct?
Sir, in Marathi.
Yeah. Is it correct?
No, sir.
And then what we supposed to call for having food or had food?
Sir, food will be same as Hindi, sir.
Sorry?
Sir, food will in Marathi will be same as Hindi only, sir.
Khana. Khana Jaulaka.
Yes, sir.
Chawal Jaulaka. Yeah. Whatever. Okay, guys. Rishikesh, this is all about, to make you to talk in a class. But you are not talking still. You should talk. Clear? Parth Ahuja. Parth Ahuja, कुछ ना बताओ भाई. Parth Ahuja. Parth Ahuja, turn on your camera first. कुछ ना कुछ बताओ भाई. दिल्ली का विशेष क्या है? क्या चल रहा है दिल्ली में? क्या हाल है? सब बढ़िया?
Yes, sir.
बढ़िया. फिर बात करो भाई. थोड़ा बात करने से ही होता है. बात करने से ही बनता है आजकल. ठीक है? कुछ ना कुछ बात करना चाहिए क्लास में. अगर नहीं बात कर रहा है तो क्या होगा? क्या होगा? कुछ नहीं होगा, मगर थोड़ा इंटरैक्टिव, थोड़ा सेशन को थोड़ा इंटरैक्टिव बनाने की कोशिश कीजिए. ठीक है? कृष्ण चैतन्य इज ऑल्सो नॉट टॉकिंग एट ऑल एनीथिंग. Krishna Chaitanya talk something in class. Ask a few doubts. Ananya Tadipatri never spoken so far. Even a single type. అనన్య మాట్లాడాలి, క్లాస్లో మాట్లాడాలి, ఏదో ఒకటి అడగాలి. అర్థమైందా? కృష్ణ చైతన్య నువ్వు కూడా. Yes, one who is laughing at me.
So your laptop has less charge.
Yeah. So yeah, still we have 11 minutes, right? 11 minutes, 12%. Oh, more than enough. काफी है ना भाई. हम लोग क्लास होने के बाद मैंने चार्ज कर लूंगा, कोई ना. ठीक है? Look at this, guys. One more thing I would like to discuss with you is everyone should talk in class. Everyone must talk in a class, irrespective of your, what do you call that? Irrespective of your topic, whatever. You please try to talk. Please try to, be, socializing person. Socializing in the sense लोगों से बात करना. వేరే వాళ్ళతో మాట్లాడాలి. అర్థమైందా? You must talk in a class. Whenever you are talking in a class, whenever you are feeling so active, whenever you are so enthusiastic in a class, what will happen is automatically you will get self-motivated yourself. You will get boost up yourself. So you should talk. But not always one guy should talk. Everyone should talk. That's why I'm giving an opportunity to everyone here. I'm individually calling. That is the reason behind talking. Behind that is the individual. That is the reason behind giving an individual opportunity. Clear? So Ananya, you're talking to someone else, but you're not talking to in the class. You're not asking the.
So my brother was interrupting in between. I just sent him away.
Ask your brother to just leave the room. Afterwards, you can talk to him. Okay.
Okay.
Modita is also not talking. She has never spoken so far. Modita ji, she is in traveling. She is out. Okay. What about others? Okay, guys, do you have any doubts? So this is what the extra class is all about. And if you have any doubts, so guys, you can ask me in at whatever the time is possible. But I would request you guys 1 second. So let us, let us not discuss all these things. Let us discuss all these things, in our extra time, not now. So please 1 second, let me stop the recording, guys. And I hope you understood the session. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me in tomorrow's next extra class as well. Whenever we have doubt session, you can ask. But next extra class would be like regular class, as regular class would be there for extra session. Okay, in extra session I'll be discussing as normal session only. I won't be teaching any kind of doubts, that kind of. Okay, so thank you.